everyone, in this video I will discuss about motion in vertical projection. Motion in vertical projection is an example of motion of an object along a straight line with constant acceleration. While upward motion, the acceleration due to gravity acts against the motion, and while downward motion, acceleration due to gravity supports the motion. Since the motion is along positive and negative direction of y-axis, we can use the unit vector j cap to write the kinematic variable vector quantity involved in the motion. So initial velocity vector u is uj cap, final velocity vector v is vj cap, the acceleration due to gravity vector g is minus gj cap, and the displacement vector y equals yj cap. The animation of this motion is shown here. Now let's write the kinematic equation in y direction. The velocity vj cap equals u minus gt j cap, or v equals u minus gt. The displacement yj cap equals ut j cap minus half gt square j cap, or y equals ut minus half gt square. The third kinematic equation v square equals u square minus 2gy. Now let's calculate the maximum height. Maximum height is the height when the velocity of the upward motion becomes 0. So we can equate the velocity v equals u minus gt equals 0. The time for maximum height will come as t equals u upon g, and using this time we can evaluate the maximum height h equals ut minus half gt square. If we put the value of t equals u upon g, we will get h equals u square upon 2g. Now let's calculate the time of motion. The upward time of motion is evaluated by equating the velocity equals 0, and this will come as t equals u upon g, and the time involved during the downward motion can be calculated by equating the displacement, which is same for upward and downward motion. So the displacement is h equals u square upon 2g, and this can be equated to the kinematic equation. Displacement equals ut plus half gt square. U is 0, so we can equate u square upon 2g with half gt square, and using this equation we will get t equal u upon g. So the total time of motion will be the sum of these two times, u upon g plus u upon g equals 2u upon g. The total distance traveled will be sum of the displacement during upward motion and during downward motion. So s will be equal to 2h, and this will be equal to u square upon 2g plus u square upon 2g equals u square upon g. So these are the different terms involved in the vertical projection motion. Thank you for watching this video.